Hi friends, welcome back. So in this video, I will be discussing about 9 important performance testing tools. The first tool for performance testing is Apache JMeter. Apache JMeter is widely used performance testing tool. Basically, this tool is a open source tool which is normally we use for load testing, stress testing and performance testings for the web application. In order to carry out all these 3 different tests, we will be using Apache JMeter, and which is widely used across all the organization because it is open source. Second type of performance tool which we use is Load Runner. Load Runner, which is a commercial tool, which is not an open source or a free tool, which is a commercial license we have to buy from Micro Focus in order to use this load runner. Basically, this load runner we use for doing load testing for both web application as well as mobile application as well. Plus, we can do API testing as well using this load runner from the Micro Focus. And the next type of performance tool is Gatling. The Gatling is another open source tool. Normally, again, we do perform load runner performance using this Gatling tool, and as well we can do API testing, WebSocket testing also we can perform using Gatling software. And the next type of software is BlazeMeter. BlazeMeter, again, this is a cloud-based performance tool. This is not an on-premise software. This is more of a cloud-based performance tool which we normally use for doing load testing, plus even we can do the functional testing as well using this BlazeMeter. Plus we can also perform API testing using this BlazeMeter performance tool. And the next one is WebLoad. Again, WebLoad is also a somewhat popular commercial tool which we normally use for load, stress and as well as performance or web application. Next one is Load Ninja. Load Ninja is again a cloud-based performance testing tool which is from SmartBear. SmartBear is an organization which developed this Load Ninja, and using this tool we can perform load testing as well as scriptless test creation also we can make. Not required the programming languages to create the load test using this SmartBear Load Ninja. And the next type of tool is NeoLoad. NeoLoad is again a commercial performance tool which is from Neotis for load testing as well as performance testing. This is for both web and mobile application we can use for doing performance testing. If you have a requirement for both web and mobile, definitely we can choose this NeoLoad. Plus we can also perform tests on API and as well as microservices testing also we can make using this NeoLoad. And the next type of tool is Silk Performer. Silk Performer is again one more tool from the Micro Focus, which is again one of the oldest tool in the market. And by using these tools we can make load runner, we can perform load testing, we can perform performance testing for web as well as mobile application. We can also perform API testing using this Silk Performer. And the last type of performance testing tool we have is open source tool which is from Artillery for performing load testing as well as performance testing for web application, plus API testing we can also make, plus WebSocket things also we can perform using this Artillery.